everyone, Ben here from Drayton Estates Group, your favourite resin specialist. Here today we're showing you a recent project we finished, about 300 square metres this is. We've got a lovely block edge border just to seal everything in against the grass there. We've also got a darker colour border with some aluminium trims around it. We've got a sub base under here of about 300mm, which is exceptionally deep, but there was a lot of concrete contaminants and stuff underneath that we had to get rid of. We then had a couple of 100mm of that, and then we had a big capping layer of 10mm stone just to cap it off so we could get the levels. As you can see, we've got a lot of different levels at play here, and the whole driveway slopes out to the road. The reason we've done this job is because the customer here, bless her, has got 2 prosthetic legs, and the gravel she had previous, which we'll show you in the clip, she couldn't walk in it, and obviously being on a slope it made it really difficult for her. So we've given her a full resin bound solution, which she's over the moon with. She's actually contracted us in to do some more at a later date. Okay, so this job being 300 square metres required a fair bit of labour force on this. I think we had between 9 and 12 guys on here at any one time. The guys worked extremely hard actually to get this one done within 7 days, but the difference is mainly staff. Cost actually per square metre comes down quite dramatically over larger areas because we get the product a little bit cheaper with mass orders. But if we was to do a smaller job, we would basically have less guys on, less equipment, shorter amount of time period to get the jobs done. So if we did, for instance, did a 1-car, 2-car drive, 30-ish square metres, we could be in and out within sort of 2 or 3 days. Job wrap with 2 or 3 men. The favourite part for me, the most challenging part as well actually, was getting the levels transferred. Obviously you can see this fence here. The gravel boards, the bottom of the gravel boards are a lot higher than our actual finished surface on the resin here. So we had to come up with a solution to basically make sure we could keep this level here, and we needed something to retain this over here. So what we've got to do at a later date is backfill all this as like a planter area, and that was the best solution for the job. Right guys, so just wanted to run you through that resin is actually suitable for indoor and outdoor spaces. As you can see, obviously we've got the main drive here, which is looking beautiful, but we've also done inside this carport. Now, there's 2 options for this. This is just your standard resin, the same as the drive, but if we were to do a fully inside feature, we could also add a seal coat to this to make it non-permeable, so you can wash it like you would your floors in your kitchen.